So y'all, we got some Jordan 11 72 and 10s. Gonna clean them up. A few cuts and bruises. The main thing that I saw was this outsole. Can't do nothing about this unless the client wants to buy a whole nother shoe, a donor shoe, to get a replacement outsole. But aside from that, we're gonna clean them up and try to yellow them and get all the scuffs and scars out. Pretty sure. Let's it out. So we're gonna start off with the soft bristle brush, just wiping down the exterior of the shoe, and then we'll move on from there. So we're just gonna wipe off any excess dirt and debris. Now we're gonna hit it with the medium bristle brush. Get some more of those tougher stains in the midsole. Now, just gonna go through and use lighter to get any of this fray material off. Just make it look cleaner. I'm just gonna use some, I don't know, this is either 1000, 1500, or 2000 grit sandpaper, and just smoothing this piece out. Really dirty outsole. So at the end of the day, I just thought it'd be easier just to get a bigger surface to work with. So I'm gonna Dremel this, glue down, give it a better, stronger base to go onto, and then go on from there. Alright, so now I'm gonna Dremel down this area and this area and get it done. I'm gonna Dremel down this outsole, this midsole to give it a better base for sit for about 5 minutes and go from there. So we got it glued back, all that, no separation right here. Good stress test. It's good coming down. Now we're just gonna clean it some more and throw it back in the icebox. Wipe down the bottom just with some acetone to get any other surface dirt off. Now we're just gonna put some more Salon Care 40 on it. We got after about 72 hours. Maybe not a big difference if you're watching over time, but definitely a difference when looking at the other shoe side to side. So now we're just gonna clean them and then we'll be done. So after all this is the final product. A lot cleaner, a lot neater. The leather's been brought back. It's a nice black. This is kind of ashy and dirty. Toe caps already look a lot whiter. Bottoms definitely, it's like a piss yellow. It's more of a milky cream or brown. And that's it. Y'all hit me up. All my socials are down in the description below. I'll hit you back with a quote. Y'all have a good one.